I'm Seonkyoung longest, and today I'm going to show you how to make sesame noodles. It is creamy, savory, so satisfying. It's just like nice and thick, but then with the crunchy cucumber on top, it's so refreshing. You've got to make this dish. It is a quick lunch idea, great side dish idea, or like double or triple or quadruple the recipe to make for your potluck or barbecue party, stuff like that. It will be fantastic. So I just julienned 2 Persian cucumbers. You can use regular cucumber, just make sure you peel it and seed it and do it. We are going to make the sauce for sesame noodles. The most important part, right? Base of our sesame sauce is tahini. You know, tahini is made with sesame seeds, so nothing can be more perfect than tahini for the base of this sauce. And some mayo. I'm using Justegg mayo. It's a plant-based mayo. My favorite plant-based mayos are Follow Your Heart or Justegg mayo. So far, what I've tried, Justegg mayo, I feel like it's a little more close to Kewpie mayo, in my opinion. But well, you will be the judge of that. Soy sauce, rice vinegar. And some sweetener. I'm using agave nectar. It's my favorite one to use. You can use raw sugar or maple syrup. That will work also really good. For the umami flavor of my sesame sauce, I'm going to use yondu. So yondu is really easy to find in any Korean grocery stores or Amazon. I will put the link down below where you can find. I cannot live my plant-based life without yondu. And all of you who purchase yondu because of me been thanking me to introduce this sauce in their life. So I'm so happy that you guys actually trust me and gave a shot. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just love this so much. It's a Korean fermented vegetable sauce. Did you hear that? Wild sesame oil from Korea that my mom brought. I'm just gonna use this, but just sesame oil. That's actually my original recipe calls. Because I cannot live without my chili oil. And I know you too. We will need some chili oil. I'm using my extra chili oil. I will put the link right here. You can make it. You can actually make this sauce non-spicy without chili oil. Just add a little more sesame oil. And then mix everything together and serve chili oil on the side so people can add to their taste instead of you mixing everything. But I'm cooking only for myself and Jacob, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add everything. And lastly, we need a little bit of water to loosen the sauce a little bit, because believe it or not, sesame paste, the tahini, absorb a lot of liquid, so we need a little help. So go ahead and whisk everything with a whisk. Chopstick wouldn't do the trick. You have to use the whisk, okay? The sauce is ready to go. This sauce will last like a month or 2 in your refrigerator because it's all kind of oil-based sauce. So it will last a really long time in your refrigerator. Just make sure you need to kind of bring it to the room temperature before you use. But trust me, this amount of sauce will be gone like in 1 meal. And I'm going to start to cook my noodles. So literally for this recipe, you can use any noodles, whatever you want to use. Like seriously, I'm using this like dried little white Asian wheat noodles. You can use frozen fresh wheat noodles. You can use egg noodles if you want to. Rice noodles for gluten-free option. You can use ramen noodles if you have some of that. Tomen, soba noodles, or spaghetti if that's all you have. Like literally any kind. 0-calorie noodles? Yes, you can. Like literally anything, okay? Cook the noodles by following the direction of package. So this wheat noodles I'm using right now is a pretty small portion, so I'm gonna actually cook 3 portions because you know how greedy I am about the noodles. Drain the noodles well. Oops, don't spill them. And you do not have to rinse the noodles because we want this sesame noodles nice and warm, unless you want cold one, which is, I don't like my sesame noodles cold. So go ahead and add into a large mixing bowl. Pour all our sesame sauce. Who wouldn't drool over this delicious, scrumptious, sorry, didn't mean to scare you, but scrumptious sesame noodles. Oh my goodness, look at that. I did this. Mom, I did this. Look at this. My mom will kill this because she will love this. Oh, I forgot to add garlic and ginger. Oh my God, you should have told me. Like, I forgot to add actually garlic and ginger in my sauce. I can't even believe, but better late than never, right? Especially for garlic and ginger in my recipe. I can't even believe I forgot garlic. Same amount of ginger. I like to grate them with a cheese grater like this because they are nice and fine. There's no big chunk of garlic or big chunk of ginger, raw especially. Oh yeah, now we are talking. The fragrant. This is sesame noodles won't be completed without garlic and ginger. Don't forget like I did. Putting modern pastor, about a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and grind. This step is necessary because when sesame seeds freshly grind, the fresh grinded sesame seed fragrance is nothing like it. It's so amazing. And this tweezer, a lot of you guys actually asked me too, that I got from Amazon. No, I got from restaurant store, didn't I? Yeah. But I found the exact same one in Amazon. That's what I meant to say. Julienned cucumber. You can put it on top. You can put it on the side, however you want. Lastly, the sesame seeds grinded. And again, you have to do this part like literally the last moment you're about to serve these noodles, okay? It is so simple, yes, so delicious. You must try this sesame noodles. Okay.
Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. Do I have chopsticks over here?
Yeah, I put it right there.
감사합니다.
You're welcome.
먹겠습니다.
What's up, Bella? I think she wants to go out. Come on, Bella. Come on, let's go out. Good girl.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
So much flavor. That chili oil sets it off.
I mean, even without chili oil, it's
delicious.
still really flavorful, mild sesame noodles. They welcomed you a lot.
No,
Welcome back, Jacob. A lot of comments. So.
No, you're not gonna get rid of me. I'm just kidding. I'll come back and say hi every now and then. Maybe not every time.
Sometimes he's just not ready for
Not camera
to
ready.
be on camera. If you guys like my sesame noodle recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic Asian, plant-based Asian recipes. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much.